Look guys, I wanna show you this. A lingerie of mine guys. Ayan, ito yung aking isusukat later. Ayan. Ayan guys. This one, the black color guys. Ayan, the black color. I really love it. Ayan po. One of my order. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. The black bikini. And then this one guys. Charan! A very nice bikini. I'm so excited to wear this, guys. Ayan. And this one, the green color, one of my favorite color also. Ayan. My fashion. Ayan, my fashion, guys. And the red one, the red color. I really love it. One of my favorite color, guys. The red color. Pack na pack siya, guys. So, ayan. And then, I have another one, guys. Charan! Look, guys. Ang ganda dito. One of my fashion. So, ayan, later, guys. I wanna feed this. I'm so excited to feed this, guys. Ayan. Ayan, I'm so excited. And I have also a bra later. I wanna feed this. Ayan guys. Ayan. One of my fashion. I wanna feed this. Abangan nyo ako magsusukat nito guys. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan. Yung aking mga lingeries. Mga lingeries ko guys. Ayan. So, ayan po. My simple fashion for today. I really love it. Ayan, guys. My short hair. Ayan. I just woke up. Guys, and my face is so haggard. So haggard, guys. And I'm very hot here in the Philippines. Look, my pambahay outfit, my crop top. I buy this for only 50 pesos. And my high-waist shorts, guys. My high-waist shorts. Ay, lumuag na siya, guys, because, ayan, medyo pumayat na ako ngayon, guys. I'm slim. Ayan. My exercises. I really love it. Pack na pack yung aking fashion for today. It's a pambahay outfit, guys. Ayan. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please watch my videos, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Watch my videos. You can also avail a membership on my channel, guys. And you can also send me a separate gift. Bye.